apple cider vinegar for cardiovascular health. For cholesterol reduction, take 15 milliliters of apple cider vinegar every day. It is believed that pectin absorbs fats and cholesterol, thus eliminating them from our body, and that amino acids found in apple cider vinegar neutralize bad LDL cholesterol. In order to lower blood pressure, drink 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 teaspoon of honey mixed in a glass of water twice a day. Honey and apple cider vinegar are rich in potassium, which regulates sodium levels in blood and normalizes blood pressure. They also contain magnesium, which reduces the pressure on blood vessel walls. Mild forms of hemorrhoids can also be treated with this miracle tonic. Anoint them couple of times a day with pure apple cider vinegar. Varicose veins can be treated by putting wraps soaked with apple cider vinegar in the morning and in the evening. To reduce nosebleeds, place cotton wool soaked in apple cider vinegar into your nostrils and lay down. Vinegar will help stop bleeding more quickly. Vinegar is one of the most healing gifts of nature, and its millennium-long usage proves it. One of the most famous vinegars is apple cider vinegar. It is believed that it has been used for treatment for at least 10,000 years. The father of medicine, Hippocrates, recommended it as a healing elixir. Since the old days, various people used it as preservative, deodorant and tonic for vitality, strength, disinfection and fast healing of wounds. Apple cider vinegar contains 19 out of 22 important minerals for growth, regeneration and health of our body, including potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, boron, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, fluorine. It also contains vitamins C, E, A, B1, B2, B6, beta-carotene, bioflavonoids, pectin, malic and acetic acids.